Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I have got something really special to check out. The Centy Toys HNT tractor. If you're a fan of the tractors or just love the cool diecast model, this one is for you. So before I proceed, you should check out the video I made about the Indian truck from Centy Toys. Click the link card or check the end of this video. So let's dive in and see what makes this little toy so exciting. First up, let's talk about the build and design of this tractor. The tractor features excellent body color that really pops up, as it's made from the non-toxic materials, which is great news for the parents who are always looking out for safe toys for their kids. And one of the coolest features of this tractor is its pullback action. Just give a little push and watch it zoom off. It's a simple yet super fun mechanism that adds a charm. Now let's take a closer look at the tires. They are made of sturdy plastic and rubber, which means they are built to last. Plus, they come with the minifigure that actually attached to the tractor itself. It's a small touch that adds a lots of character to the model. If I could suggest one improvement, it would be to add some die-cast metal to this toy. It would really elevate the overall feel and durability, making it an even better collectible. But overall, it's still a fantastic piece. It's a lots of fun to play with or display. Speaking of the tractors, did you know they play a crucial role in India? In this northern region, tractors are vital for farming. They help with the plowing, sowing, and harvesting, making them indispensable to the farmers there. It's fascinating to think about how such a simple tool can be so essential to an entire region's agriculture activities. Owning this Centy Toys tractor feels great, whether you're playing with or displaying it. It's a wonderful addition to any collection, and it brings a little piece of India's agriculture heritage into your home. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on the tractor. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.